Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after updating your iPhone, is it suddenly charging way slower than before? Don't worry, I'll walk you through some quick and easy fixes to get your iPhone charging at full speed again. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Avoid gaming while charging. Playing games while charging is one of the biggest reasons for slow charging. Games eat up a ton of battery power and the phone heats up, which slow down charging even more. If you can't resist gaming while charging, use a 20-watt fast charger. Remove your case to reduce heat. Keep your phone in a cool environment. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Dust, lint, or debris in a port can block proper charging. Use a soft, dry brush or toothpick and gently clean the port. Avoid using metal pins because they can damage the port. Solution 3. Restart or force restart. Sometime after updates, minor glitches slow down charging. Restart your phone normally. If the issue continues, try a force restart. Solution 4. Check battery health. Go to settings. Tap on battery. Then tap on battery health and charging. If your battery health is below 80%, your iPhone may throttle charging speed. In that case, consider a battery replacement. Turn off optimized battery charging and see if it speeds things up. Solution 5. Keep your iPhone cool. Charging slow down if your iPhone gets too hot. Remove the case while charging. Don't charge under direct sunlight or near heat sources. If your iPhone is overheating, take a wet cloth, wring it out well, and place your iPhone on the top of it while charging so that the wet cloth absorbs the heat from your iPhone. And that's it. Try these steps and your iPhone should be charging again. If it's still charging slowing, it might be a hardware issue and you will need to visit Apple Support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.